Yo, my name is Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski and welcome back to another video. I got a really interesting question. What does it mean to be an ascended master? Honestly, I don't know how to fully answer that question. It's a hard one for me because I only have glimpses of what it means to be a ascended master. I don't fully understand it. But basically, you see reality. There's reality here, there is reality here, there is reality here, there is reality here. And each one is a different vibrational frequency. And as an ascended master, you see all of the realities all at once, and you're able to navigate through these realities as you see fit, so that you adjust your world to be perceived and to be lived in a way that you choose as you maneuver through these realities. But of course you're also creating the reality, but you see the interconnected causal link of how each and every action, thought and word moves you from one space to another space, and you have the wisdom to recognize within the space of present moment how to move from one vibrational frequency into a completely different vibrational frequency. And that's just one tiny fragment of what it means to be an ascended master, because from the books I've read, being an ascended master, you can do all sorts of miracles and all that cool stuff, that you always heard about, like levitation, flying, teleportation. From some of the books that I read, they even talk about the fact that ascended masters are able to move through the different dimensions in such a way that they can leave the physicality completely, and then they don't have a body here, and then they can choose to manifest a body here, so they don't go through the rebirthing process. And so they go out into, like, let's say, sixth dimension. Words are very limited here, but sixth dimension, let's just call it. It's not a physical plane. They go into a space that is not physical, and they exist there. They do something, they exist, they experience whatever it is you can experience on that plane. And then they decide that, it would be cool to have a body and to smoke a cigarette, for example. And so they drop themselves into 1960s somewhere, and they pick up a cigarette from somebody and they just smoke. And once they're done, they drop it and off they go. That's just very benign example, but you get the general idea. They can come and go as they see fit. That's my understanding of it anyway. That's basically all I know about ascended masters. There have been many people who were considered ascended masters by many. I don't know if they were actually ascended masters or not, because this is just a name at the end of the day, and what it means is fully dependent upon your own understanding of the word. Excuse me. And so we have Saint Germain, Count Saint Germain, and he, for example, was considered to be an immortal alchemist, and by some he's considered an ascended master. We had the people of the likes of Jesus, walking on water, healing people, exercising people, We had Buddha. We had Balinias, I probably butchered his name, an alchemist, again. And all these different people, Godfrey, if I remember this name correctly, they all, Ramfa, oh, that's one name. It's like these people completely transcended physicality in their own way. of course, because you have to find your own path, your own way of doing things, and that's how you become enlightened, and that's how you go beyond, by finding your own way, by being you fully. I hope I answered the question. I did my best with it. If I receive more information or gain deeper understanding, I'll probably come back to this one at some point. I bless you, my friend, and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day. Consider leaving a comment, a like. What do you know about the Ascended Masters? Let me know down in the comments below. Ciao!